Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. Today we are going to be using some sapphire blue foils, as I call them. Sapphire blue. They are blue, and they are the ornamental water decals that SheModern has. On the nails, I have, this is a little mini from Model 1 that came in with the fashion collection. This is a gray, and I can't see the name, but this is a gray. A nice gray at that. See? See? Just totally love this. So I have got 2 coats on. The nails have been cured in the lamp for 60 seconds after each coat. And now we are going to dive in with our decals. I have them soaking off here to the side. And it doesn't take long, 10-15 seconds each. Put a little bit more on this bigger one just to make sure it is thoroughly in the water. I am going to be using my stamper to pick them up. It is by Beauty Big Bang. I have got Miss Harley Marie here assisting us today. And that is my flexi hand that I received for my birthday. We are going to be doing the ring finger and the index. On the middle finger, I'm going to be having some pretty blue little gems. So we're going to see how that goes. I got a tissue I'm going to lay here off to the side so I can dab my decals off on to remove the excess water. And just dab. Let me see. There we go. I'm going to get my silicone tool here. I am going to just go over the decal just to make sure no air bubbles. Remove the backing and dab. I'm going to line these up so they are base to base. There we go. Get your silicone tool out, remove the air bubbles, smooth them out. There we go. And my big one. Dab. Let me see. Okay. There we go. So simple, yet so elegant looking. Go over your decal. Smooth it out. There we go. You remove my palette. Just take your tissue, wipe this all off, throw it away. There you go. Easy peasy. No fuss, no muss. Put those away. We get some of my gems out here now. Just gonna tap. Bring some out on the table here. Have Miss Harley Marie front and center with us today. I'm gonna apply a nice, generous, not too generous. It does not want to stay sometimes. There we go. Looks pretty good to me. I love this color blue. I think it is just beautiful. Whoops. They move so easy. Sorry if I'm just a little bit too quiet. It's what happens when I'm concentrating. Trying to line these up on the nails pretty good here. I don't know if you've been on the SheModern.com website lately, but they have some new decals out. A couple, I think there's 3. And with one of the, oh lordy, she's gonna get me for this one. I don't know if it's bows. There's new colors. They're just beautiful. There's like 4 new colors, I think it is, which is just great. So check out SheModern.com. Check out their new addition to the family. Just gonna put these on the nail here, line them up. Make sure the ones on the middle finger aren't moving on me. There we go. Trying to hurry and place these so I can cure them all together at once. Do not top coat over the gems. Top coat that's on them now, this is it. If you want, you could go around the sides. There we go. I think I'm going to do the pinky too, just so it's not left out looking bare. Oh my lordy. I'm using base coat, holy cow. So which means it's going to be really sticky. Because with Diana's top coat and base coat, they're the opposite colors of Model 1. So I have a tendency to confuse sometimes. So there's the hair and the polish. That's just beautiful. You just top coat them all. At the end of your nails, fakes or not. Try to keep your sidewalls clean. I don't know what's with all these little fuzzies. Okay. There we go. Can't believe I had the base coat in my hand. Wow. There's such a trip. It's like renewal every time you use a Dermaflash. It takes off the dead old dull skin and peach fuzz. Such a trip. I love this picker upper where it's got this metal thing here on the end where I can move my gems, separate them. Well, I got them all over my mat. Love, love, love. I'm going to put them on here and whoopsie. This one's really wants to move that last one there. Okay. There we go. Whoops. This one here moved on me. Could be floating around because they have the base coat and the top coat on them now. I'm going to cure these and we'll be right back. Alrighty, here we are. The nails are cured and looking beautiful. Beautiful. We got 3 nails with gems. 2 with our foil water decals from SheModern, as this is SheModern Saturday. Don't forget, go check out SheModern.com with their new, I'm having a brain fart here. My mouth and my brain are not meeting up. Excuse me. They have new colors for some of the decals. They have a few new decals. So to go check that out, place your order. If you are new here, please subscribe, click the bell. Leave me a comment down below. Please click the like button. Let me know that you liked my video, the series that I do every Saturday. I upload 3 times a week. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, as you know, for this original series of SheModern.com. Yeah, I'm having a brain fart here this Saturday morning. It's the wee hours, and this is usually when I film. And I should have just, I don't know, waited so that my mouth and my brain met up. But we're going to call this an end to our lovely blue sapphire manicure. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And as I said, please subscribe. I appreciate your support. I love each and every one of you that support me and show me a full view and comment and that are there for me time and time again. You just don't know how much I appreciate your support. I really, really honestly do. And on that note, thank you for watching and have a blessed day.